Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Forza Horizon 6. You got an error, failed to launch forzahorizon6.exe error code 2. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, you need to open up your Windows security. From the left pane, click on the protection history and a list will be provided to you where if any program is blocked by your antivirus, it will be shown over here. So you need to click on this down arrow key and this will open the file name as well as the path of the file. So if the file is related to your Forza Horizon 6, you need to click on the action tab and choose the option allow on device so that it will not block your file game again. Once it is done, try to relaunch the game and the issue will be fixed. If not, you need to open the game directory where you have downloaded the game. For example, in my system, I have downloaded the game right over here in Steam library, Steam apps, common, and here is my Forza Horizon 6 game. I'll go ahead and open this folder. Now right in this folder, you will find a folder with the name no DVD. Open this folder. And right over here, you will find few files like it is showing right over here. These are some of the files that are available right in this no DVD folder. From here, you need to copy all these files and then paste right over here in this game directory, which is the main directory of the game. After pasting the game files onto the main directory, you need to right click on the exe file of Forza Horizon 6 and go to its properties. Now click on compatibility tab and here make sure you uncheck each and every option except run this program as an administrator. This must be checked up. Then hit apply and OK button. Now you need to launch the game using this exe file and the issue of failed to launch Forza Horizon 6.exe with error code 2 will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.